Alright, next video that we have is for those of you that need to have some kind of sound effects for whatever it is that you're doing. We have this massive sound effects folder that Mr. Underwood has put together over the years that you can use to find the exact sound that you need. So on your tech page, underneath this chart of like where we did certain stuff, there's a folder that says if you would like to download some sound effects, there are thousands here. When you click on that, it's going to open you up into a Google Drive. So this is kind of intimidating at first because you've got all these folders that have weird numbers. And what you have to do is scroll down to the bottom, and the first thing that's going to show up will be files. When you open this file, it's a PDF document and it's searchable. So if you hit Control F, pops up this little find in document thing, and you can type in a keyword for something you're looking for. So like in Dream Team, there were some kids making an air hockey game. So if I type in hockey and I hit enter, it says there's 50 times that the word hockey shows up in this document. So the first time it's for cheering and applause in an indoor hockey arena. There's cheering in a crowd in a hockey arena. Keep going. A booing crowd, a chanting crowd, a reaction to a crowd, a large crowd. So lots of crowd noises so far. Keep going. I'm going to look for someone hitting a puck. I'm still going. These all say crowd still. Oh, this is getting better. So we've got opening and closing the penalty box. Here we go. Shot into the boards, into the goalie pads, into the goal post. The player crashing into the boards, making a check. I'm going to go for the shot into boards, and the boards are like those walls that surround the rink. So I find this one. The first number it has is 6031. So I'm going to write that one down on a piece of paper, 6031. And then the second number is 47, and then -1. Those are the you need all those numbers to go find this sound. So I'm going to hit my back button, and then I'm going to look for the folder that's 6031. I don't like to actually look, so I'm going to do Control F again. There's 6031, that's a sports folder. Then all that's in here is track. It doesn't tell you what it actually is. So that's where the second number comes in. I'm looking for track 47. Oh, and it says it doesn't exist, so I'll find a different one to use. So we open track 74, and then it says -1. Each of these has 3 sounds in it. So that's the sound of a slap shot. Second sound of a slap shot. That is the sound of it breaking glass. So I know that this is something I want. I'm going to hit my download button. It comes down here. Then I need to open up the program Audacity. So in my search bar, type in Audacity. It's a little blue headphones with a yellow thing. And then I can say File Open. Here it is. I pick it and I open it up. Each time you see a blue spike, that means that there's some kind of sound going on there. When I hit play, it'll play through it, and you'll be able to hear the sounds. Don't mind Elle, she's dumping coins from Coin Wars. Okay, so let's say this is the sound I like. Delete that one. I highlight and delete that one. I isolated my sound. File, export as MP3. And since I'm starting to gather stuff for my app, I'm going to right-click and say New on my desktop, and this is going to be App Stuff. So I can put pictures, sounds, whatever. I'm going to rename it to Hockey Slapshot to Glass. Hit Save. Be agreeable through all this random stuff that it wants. And then I go look at my desktop, open my App Stuff folder. Oh, I didn't finish saving yet. There it is. I'm going to put it in my App Stuff folder. So now, there it is. Now I can go into App Inventor and put that in. Now if you're a 7th grader watching this video, of course we did this in class, but you're going to take this and you're going to put it into your movie file, which will be another video for you.